In this video, I will show you how you can make the battery of your iPad last longer. Now to do that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Battery. Now under the battery settings, just enable low power mode. And in this mode, your iPad will prioritize the battery life of your iPad. Now after you've enabled this feature, then just go back to the main settings page. Now over here, just tap on Privacy and Security. Then tap on Location Services. Now on this page, just tap on System Services. And over here, just disable all these features, except for emergency calls and SOS, and Find My iPad. Now of course, if there is any settings important for you, you can keep that setting enabled on your iPad. Now after you've disabled all these settings, then just go back to the main settings page and tap on Display and Brightness. Over here, just select Dark Mode. Now after you enable Dark Mode, then just go to Accessibility and tap on Display and Text Size. Over here, just scroll down to the bottom of the page and enable Auto Brightness. After you enable Auto Brightness, then just enable Reduce White Point. Now just set this feature to 50 or 60%. For now, I will set it at 40%. Now after you've done that, now just go to your home screen and open the Control Center. And in the Control Center, just check if there is any unnecessary connection enabled or not. For example, if you're using Wi-Fi, just turn off mobile data. If your iPad is the cellular version, and also if you're not using AirDrop and Bluetooth, just turn them off. Let's just do that for all these settings which you're not using. And also if your Apple Pencil is always attached to your iPad, just remove it, as this can drain the battery of your iPad. Just attach your Apple Pencil with your iPad when you need to charge your Apple Pencil. Then finally, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on General, and under the General Settings, just tap on Software Update. And over here, just check if you have any software update available or not. If you have any update available, just update the software of your iPad, because in many cases, Apple enrolls a software update which fixes a minor glitch to improve the battery consumption of your iPad and other settings. And this is how you can make the battery of your iPad last longer. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.